Ever heard of the saying, show me your friends and I will tell you who you are? Might sound familiar. Maybe you've heard it in Don Quixote from Sancho Panza. Or maybe you heard you become who you hang out with. All right, well, the point is that the people we call our friends have influence over us, whether we like it or not. So it's up to us to choose our friends wisely. Today, I'm sharing with you how to choose friends that'll help you become smarter, more adaptable, more creative, and more receptive to the unfamiliar. Ready to get started? All right, let's get to it. When choosing your friends, consider including friends of different age groups. Let's look at what this can do. So friends from your generation, your contemporaries, your peers are going to understand you and what you're going through, because chances are they're probably going through something similar at the same moment as you, believe it or not. They might have similar fields of experience, and they're likely to be good people to have a back and forth and even commiserate with if necessary. There's likely to be healthy competition among your contemporaries, right? Even if you're in different fields or lines of work. And the truth is that having friendly competition can keep you on your A game. When you see someone pushing themselves to their limits, you might feel inclined or more inclined to push yourself to your limits, of course, in a healthy way with balance. When forming an argument, you might think twice about how it relates to them and whether it will resonate with them. So you are thinking critically about your position, about your argument, and you're also, with that healthy competition, it's driving you to be an even better version of yourself. So it can make you smarter, it can make you more intelligent. In this way, having friends from your generation, it's likely going to push you to be smarter and even communicate better, especially when forming an argument that you really want to resonate with them. All right, what about friends that are older than you? Having friends from older generations helps you become more adaptable to change and ultimately more resilient. When you ask them about the lessons that they've learned along the way, the hardships they've faced, the obstacles they've had to overcome in life, the message is clear. Resilience is key in life. And as a living, breathing entity, an example right there in front of you of resilience, you can gain insights and perspectives from what they've overcome. And you can even apply very similar mindsets and techniques to your own life to solve whatever issues you might be facing at the time. Since you're likely to not be competitive with them as you're in different stages of life and different phases with your older friends, you might also feel more comfortable asking them for advice, especially if they've been through something similar or something exactly what you are experiencing as well, right? Whatever challenge you might be facing. And there's less likely to be judgment as well. So leverage that. All right. And the last category, friends that are younger than you. Right. So with younger friends, you will be most likely to become more receptive to change, because chances are that new generation is experiencing new things that you and your generation have not yet experienced. And it's a way for you to also grow more accustomed to that which is unfamiliar. And in doing so, you open both your mind and your heart to new ways of thinking and new ways of doing. As humanity is constantly evolving, each generation brings a unique perspective to that evolution. Moreover, they might also bring some creative ways of problem solving, and also a little help from new and emerging technologies, which they probably are pretty savvy with, might also increase this way of creatively problem solving as well. So give it a try. Awesome. When you incorporate different generations and different ages to your social circles and your friend groups and your networks, you expand your perspectives, you increase your creativity, and you leverage your ability to be more adaptable and ultimately more resilient. Interacting with people who challenge you enables you to keep striving and also to thrive as your best self. So I encourage you to make friends with not only your own generation, but also seek out friendships from those older than you and those younger than you. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how much you end up learning about yourself and about the world around you, thanks to these new insights and perspectives. All right, Explearners, that's it for me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you prefer to listen to this lesson, then check out our podcast that's available on our website over at explearning.co/blog, where you can also find the full transcript of this lesson if you choose to read that. So my question for you is, do you have friends from other generations, and do you see a benefit to it? Share that with us and the Explearning community in the comments down below. And if you want to help our channel continue to grow, please feel free to share this lesson and our channel with anyone who wants to boost their social skills and improve their communication skills. All right, I will see you in the next Explearning lesson. Bye for now, and happy Explearning, everyone.